Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys a new method for Apple Music. This is one of the most anticipated videos on the channel. Every video we drop, we get a comment asking us to drop an Apple Music video. So today we are dropping this new method for you guys to get Apple Music. However, we are not getting it for free. We are getting it close to free, which is we are going to pay $1. So believe it or not, we're actually going to pay $1 to get Apple Music. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on notifications so you do not miss updates like this anytime we drop them. And while you're watching today's tutorial, I want you guys to pay close attention because there are some surprises in the video, and if you get one, please let me know in the comment section. All right, let's get into the tutorial. So first things first, I want you to head over to your app store, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. On the accounts page, tap on your account. Tap on country or region. In the country list, select India. Take a moment to read the Apple terms and conditions. If you're okay with everything, tap on agree. Select none. Head over to this website and generate a random address for India. Use that address to fill in the spaces provided. When you are done filling out the information, tap on the Done button at the top right corner. And just like that, you have successfully switched your Apple ID to India. Now, time for the next step. Open your browser and head over to the Indian portal of Amazon. This is what the URL looks like for the Indian portal of Amazon, so make sure it's the same one you enter in your browser. Now over here, if you already have an Amazon account, you can just go ahead and sign in with those same login details. But if you don't have an Amazon account, you can create one. I already have an Amazon account, so I'm just going to sign in. Alright, so after you have signed in, tap on the search bar and type App Store codes and tap on search. Now in the search results, if you see this first one over here, I want you to tap on it. Okay, so over here, I think it's time for a bit of context. Now in the United States, Apple Music costs $10.99 currently. In Ghana, it costs $3.29 currently. But in India, the price of Apple Music is 119 rupees. And if you convert that to dollars, that's about $1.25 currently, or at the time of making this video. So we want to take advantage of that. So I want you to enter that amount. Enter your email address. Tap on Buy Now. Select a payment method. In this case, I'm going to use the credit or debit card option, and I'm going to use the card from the Gray app. If you don't have your USD card from the Gray app, please make sure to check out our video on that and get yourself a card from the Gray app. Enter your card details and tap on Continue. Enter your card's CVV number or security code. After you are done, tap on the Continue button. Tap on Pay with Credit Card. Now as you can see, we are about to pay $1 for our gift code. After a successful payment, just wait for a couple of seconds and you receive an email notification. Open it and you will find your gift code details in there. copy your gift code and head over to your Apple Music app. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on Redeem Gift Card or Code. Tap this option over here. Paste the code in the space provided and tap on the Redeem button. Now, as you can see, the value of that gift code has been added to my account balance, and I've also been given 2 free months of Apple TV, so that's even an added bonus. So let me quickly redeem this Apple TV. So after successfully redeeming my Apple TV, it's time to get Apple Music. Now tap on See All Plans. Now, as you can see over here, an individual package is 119 rupees, which is exactly the same amount that we just redeemed through our gift card. So tap on Accept Now. Double click to subscribe. Now, I got this notification on my screen because for the next 90 days or 3 months, I'm getting Apple Music for the price of 1, and Apple does not allow you to switch your Apple ID whilst you have active subscriptions. So when I tap on the transfer button for the next 90 days, I'll not be able to switch my Apple ID. So if you also get a similar notification like that, that's the meaning. So don't be alarmed. And just like that, you have successfully gotten Apple Music for just $1. Now, if you want to keep an eye on your subscriptions, head over to your settings, tap on your profile icon, tap on subscriptions, and as you can see, we have our subscriptions listed over there. I have the Apple TV that I got for free, and I also have the Apple Music that I just purchased for $1, which is 119 Indian rupees. So if you watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end, you should be able to get your Apple Music for just $1. And also, if you found some of the surprises that we hid in the video, let me know in the comment section, and also share this video with someone else who wants to enjoy Apple Music for $1. I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.